Hello and welcome to UnlockLife. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to block spam calls or text on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap and hold on the chat you want to block, that is, the chat in which you don't wish to receive any calls or text. After holding it for a few seconds, you will be able to see a few options. Tap on block. Now, again, tap on block or block and report. By reporting, you will not only block that user, but you will also save others from receiving any chats from that user. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any needs seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.